This is Elite Screens VMAX Tab-Tension 3. It's an electric motorized projection screen that has tab-tension designed to pull and stretch the surface on all sides to achieve a flat and taut projection surface suitable for ultra short, short, and standard throw projectors. It comes equipped with CineWhite ISF flexible matte white front projection material for light controlled environments. 1.1 gain with wide diffusion uniformity allows viewers to see a clear, bright picture from any seating position. With CineWhite white backing material, the image is bright and colorful and light does not bleed through. Thick white backing CineWhite ISF material produces a sharp, crisp image better than conventional black backing material. Offers bright, vivid picture to enhance color contrast. Top-bottom black masking borders format the image and absorb projector overshoot while enhancing visual contrast. ISF certified for accurate color reproduction, an industry standard for high-fidelity video display systems. Tab-tension design helps maintain a flat, taut projection surface that is ripple-free. The durable arc-shaped white enamel housing is moisture-resistant, suitable for any environment. Versatile flush wall or ceiling installation options suit your environment and application. 3 ways to control the screen: infrared, radio frequency remote, or the 𝗀𝗏𝗏𝗁 controller. Software programmable drop deposit using the 𝗀𝗏𝗏𝗁 controller. Wireless 12-volt trigger using the radio frequency remote connected to the projector's trigger port.
Elite Screens. Get the big picture.